Hi, welcome to I1 Auto. This is 2008 Honda CR-V. I'm gonna replace the switch, driver side main switch. The window is not going down. Sometimes go down, sometimes don't. So I'm gonna replace today. I'll show you how to do that. So this is the part right here. There's the name. I don't want to show the. See this switch. This thing is go bad right here. You see there's a pin right there. All this pin inside. Sometimes it's disconnected or bended because when the people open the door panel, so they don't really properly take this off. That's why it's happened most of the time. First of all, we need to open this door panel. See, there's a couple of screw, one in here. See, there's a little tab thing, just like this. There's a one screw right there. See this hole? Just took it out already. One screw right there. So follow this, go down. One lead right here. There's a no lead, so it should be one screw right there too. See this screw right there? Take this off. After that, we need to take this lead off right there. See this? See, there's a screw right there. So we need to take this screw, that screw off. Here. See how things came out. Now, wiring harness with the connector right here. You need to take the connector, this connector right here. We're gonna unplug the connector. This like little tab right here, just push it and like pull it like this. It's coming out. Pull this one, just pull it. It's coming out like this. It's holding with the clip right here. This clip. Put it in. You put it back, just right here, match the hole right here, and just push it in. Take this. Remove this whole thing. So take the switch off. This is switch right here. It's already messed up, you see. So we need to open the. So let me open this and see how it is. Take this off. See this tab right here. Let's go from the top. So we need to open this, all this screw. Screw out. This kind of screw, you see, it's all the same. Take all this screw out. See, this thing is go inside, and there is a little lock thing. See this? See, it has this lock thing has to come out of this. All of them like that. Yeah, I took all the screw out. Then have to push this tab like this. Just push it. Then I need to come over here. I think. See this? It's came out already. Don't break. It has in here. Don't put too much. Simply. So they just pry from here. See, it will come out later. So pieces came out. Don't break this. And this is our switch right here. After you take this off, then you need to open this screw. Right here, it's 4 screw. 2 on this side and 2 on the other. Take this. After take the screw off, then take the old one from there. Simply put the new one like this. Tied all this screw. See, after you tied all this screw, little screw, 4 screw, it look like this. Then what you do with this? Simply just see this little hole right here. This one is going here like that. And simply just sit in the housing like this. Oh, you just tied only 1, 2, 3 for this switch only 3 screw tied first. Then we need to put this in the vehicle. Later on from the bottom we need to tie it up. Let me show you that. See, after I tied this all 3 bolt screw, I mean, simply just take a little bit, pry this little bit, so like this. Push it to sit like there, like this, and just push this one till you go like that. You need to tie all these bolts. See in here, here. See this one? I need to pull this like that. This has to sit in here like this, in here like that. You have little like a hook thing. It's still like this in here. So all of them we need to take it off, take the proper position. See, after that is flush. Switch is nice and flush. So just put it back, this door panel, and don't forget to connect the switch, the connector. That's all, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.